Hi, I'm Jennifer Chino, Vice President at TTR Sotheby's International Realty and Team Lead of Staley Thompson Homes. Today, I'm going to take you on a tour of 730 Lake Path in Crownsville, Maryland. This property is near and dear to my heart. I sold it to them 11 years ago and they've completely redone everything. They have taken full advantage of the views and I cannot wait to show you around. So what did you think? Did you love the tour? Fun fact, the owner actually roasts her own coffee and it's the best coffee I've ever had. So imagine yourself in this house looking Valentine's Creek, which is right off the Severn River, every day. Pretty spectacular, right?